So we're back at Boddin today, Thursday. Another local little stroll. Some amazing waves. Yes, more big waves today. It's low tide, so again, when high tide hits, which is not till 6 o'clock, it's going to be like mega explosions of water. So I'm going to try and get down quite close to the edge, because there's amazing waves. Right, we've got a bit of a steep path down here. Not ideal when it's windy. And then you cut down here to the left and follow it down. So these are some waves, folks. It's starting to rain now as well. This is just the spray off the waves, I don't know. But yeah, you don't get the actual feel on camera and the noise, the boom, boom, boom that you get off the and the spray and the wind. It's amazing. Well, these are only 3 metre high waves today, and they got up to 5 metres the other day, so obviously a lot bigger than this. So I'm going to walk along the coast a bit. Hopefully that's not rain that's coming on, and we'll see what's on the next bay. So got a quick rainbow there, folks. It was very quick. Managed to catch it on camera. But this is an awesome little spot for watching the waves. It's beautiful. Well, folks, I've stood here for like half an hour, and I could just stay here all day. But might move along that way, or might go back to Elephant Rock and try and get down a bit. Got another 2 hours yet for high tide, so it's going to be crazy when it's high tide. Right, we're back on the beach today at Montrose. Seem to spend a lot of time up here at the minute, but we're up to investigate this green thing. It's like a big buoy that's been washed up on the shore. Just behind me there's people at it at the moment. So it was washed up in the storm Darcy, and it's just been sitting there ever since. So we'll go across and have a wee look and see what it's all about, folks. Right, so there we can see people going in for a swim. In Scotland, when it's -3 or something today. Now it seems to be the end thing to do at the minute, this cold water swimming. A lot of people do it back in Arbroath. Even when the snow was there and the ice last week, there was people in. It's meant to be really, really good for you. Revitalises the body and all that kind of stuff, but not for me, I don't think, folks. I'll go and have a closer look. So I'm all wrapped up here with hats and scarves and 3 jumpers. It's colder today, but look at these people in the sea. Oh, Scotland for you folks, don't you just love it? These are the Montrose polar bears, folks. You'll check out their Facebook page. Look at them all. They're all been in the sea. Cool. Yeah, so check. I'll put it on tonight for you. So just check it out. Yeah.
What's your name?
My name's Stuart.
Stuart?
Yeah.
Right, Stuart. There's a few of us and we just sort of randomly
Yeah.
meet up. Social distancing.
Of course. Yeah. Of course.
And yeah.
So that was the Montrose polar bears, I found out, folks. Had a wee chat with them there. Really nice people. They just do it to keep kind of fit, good for the mind, good for the soul. It's all social distanced. It takes what, 20 minutes? And seemingly it makes you feel so much better. As I said before. So they tried to get me to join, but I was like, no thank you. Maybe in a couple of more months when it's a bit warmer. But they all said it was great. So maybe there's something in this cold water stuff. I need to do it on a wee desert island somewhere where nobody can see me, because I'll be going and going, yeah, it's cold. They just go straight in, no fear. So second part of my wee day out here, I've moved across to Skerdiness. You can see the lighthouse there in the background. Just past Montrose at Ferry Down, and just going for a walk along the shoreline here. Sometimes you get Highland cattle in these fields, but not today. I must be away gallivanting somewhere. So if they're not here, sometimes the cows are here, but no cows either. So that's how we wander down to the seashore and see what's happening down here. This hat is like the bubbles on its last legs. Look, you can see it. It's hanging by just a thread. And I'm going to lose it one of these days. It's just going to fall off. Right, so there's the lighthouse. Goodness. Now, can you see the snow in the hills? Still in the background. There you go. Hopefully we'll be able to head up there maybe the weekend or the end of the week. See what the weather's like. Got some wee steps here down to a private little beach. Be great if you stayed in this lighthouse. Oh yeah, bandit. So yeah, you'd have your own little beach here. Yes, imagine if you actually stayed there, folks, how nice it would be just coming down here at night, just chilling out with your beer or your glass of wine, your cup of coffee, cup of teas, whatever, sitting, reading a book, listening to the sea. Most excellent. Right, so there's the steeple. There's a fair amount of snow in those hills in the background, up the glens. Then we'll move along to the beach area where it was just a wee while ago. There's the pavilion thing there. It's always good to get out for a couple of hours, especially here. There's always loads to do here. And it's great just to get a bit of sea air in your lungs. Oh! Get a bit of sea air in your lungs and just enjoy the outdoors. It's always good to get out. I was going to sit in today because I thought it's going to be cold, but look at it, folks, it's been great. And you feel so much better coming out, so always recommend it, folks. Before we sign off, folks, there's somebody here who wants to say cheerio to you. Hello. Look who it is. Hello, pal. Hello. Thinks I've got mints. Always thinks I've got mints, and it goes in a huff when I don't have them. Sorry, no mints today again. Hey. Oh. Hey. Where's the mints? Hey. Where's the mints? Oh. Let's see if he runs today. You gonna run? You gonna run? Come on then. Come on. Run. Come on. Come on in. Dun, 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 dun.